What's up, everybody? Welcome back to episode 2 of the Shovelhead long bike build. Today we're cutting some tubes. So I've got my model loaded up into Fusion, exported that into Camelot, which is the cutting software. So that lays out, obviously it copes all the tubes, but it also lays out all of my bend markers and all that necessary info, the degrees and such. So here's my model in Fusion. This is just the 1.5" tubing for right now. I've got, obviously the rear section is gonna be 1" tubing. The country bar is gonna be 1" tubing as well. But I'm gonna be processing that after I get this 1.5" cut. Here is my tubing, all loaded into Camelot. So nested up beautifully. Got all my degrees and all that stuff here. So for right now, let's go cut some tube and get it all bent up. Got the bend lines right there, 12 degrees. There's the other tube to cut. This is the upper backbone. Let's see what she does. So I made these parts tab and slot. See it kind of clicks that into there. This is going to be the actual down tube here. See, it's giving me my bend information there. Country bar holes. That's it, boys. Last cut. That's so cool. All right, let's get these things cleaned up and get them bent. Bend 1 came out good. Let's do bend 2. Looks right. go get the back one. Oh yeah. All right, guys. Well, here is the progress so far. I didn't take too much video stuff as I was bending the tubes. I was mainly just focused on trying to make sure everything was right. But yeah, everything ended up working out really nice. Passed through country bar, worked out beautifully. Here, let me zoom in on that a little bit. This neck is from Rulo Cycles. Super nice. Actually really liked the neck a lot. But yeah, rear legs. These were kind of tricky. I won't lie to you, the first two that I made, I did mess up because once I put this bend in it right here, I was running into machine interference trying to bend this last one because this whole section was kind of hanging down on the machine, which didn't allow me to fully place this bend. So cut two more, did this bend third, that bend last. Ended up working out beautifully. So yeah, everything ended up working out. I've just kind of got everything tacked together for now. I'm not going to go through and fully weld out until I have every single component for the frame. Swing arm mounts, upper shock mounts, motor mounts, all that good stuff. Just to make sure that everything does fully work out together. It's worked out beautifully so far. So I can only imagine that everything from here on out's gonna continue to work beautifully. So yeah, this is where we're at with it. Super excited. I have some more. Here's the kind of upper seat tubes. But here's where we are so far. I'm very excited for how this is coming out. I couldn't imagine it working out as smoothly as it did. Very thankful that it did. Also very thankful that I'm able to utilize the machines in the way that I am and kind of have those at my fingertips whenever I need them. So this is where we're at for now. Very excited, very happy to keep pressing on. I think I was super excited on this thing. I couldn't hardly sleep last night just thinking about it. But here's where we're at with it so far. And if you've made it this far, thanks for following along. Thanks for the support. Next episode will still be continuing fabrication on the frame. Going about getting some parts machined for right now. Swing arm pivot mounts, and the upper shock mounts and stuff like that. Motor mounts are all going to be laser cut. But yeah, just still working on a few things with this. Episode 3 will be continuing fabrication on the frame. And we'll see how that one goes to sort of see where the following episodes are going to go. But yeah, thanks for following along, and we'll see you guys on episode 3. Peace.